Alright, so good day. Today is a Sunday and I was fixing all of my stuff, organizing my bags. Yes, bags. So I figured, I was like, oh, maybe I should do like a video of showing you what's in my bags. So every single day of the week I do go to school, go to the gym, sometimes run errands, and I usually have 3 bags, excluding my eye bags. Anyway, I do have 3 bags with me and I wanted to show you what's in my bag. So, I do have a gym bag, personal bag, and then I do have my school supplies bag. It's not even like a legit bag, it's just like a tote bag. I will start with my gym bag. This is from Nike. This is your normal tote bag and it has like 3 compartments. It's already broken, but here's the first one and then here's the second compartment. In my first compartment, I have my extra shirt. This is not organized, so I'll just be picking up whatever I see. And then I do have my resistance band. So I use this for working out, for butt, legs, whatever. I love using this. So my gym really doesn't have one, so I bought my own. Second, I have face towel because I have to obviously wash my face after working out. I have my hand wraps with me. This is from Fairtex because as you can see, I do boxing, Muay Thai, and other mixed martial art trainings that I would need my hand wraps with me. And then I have my hygiene kit. It's not really like a makeup kit. I have soap, hand soap, extra pads, wet wipes. In every bag that I use, there should always be wet wipes. I mean, I guess because you know when nature calls, you just have to be prepared. I also have my Holy Seat headband for working out, brush and toothbrush. So sometimes after working out, I go to a nearby cafe to eat and drink coffee and before going to school. So I make sure before I go to school, I brush my teeth again. I have my facial soap, which I need to refill. So my gym bag is usually my lightest bag. Obviously because I have to like carry it around the gym. In school, I have my materials bag. It's a lot. I need to buy a new bag. I need to buy a new bag. I'm not like saying I want a new bag, but I do need a new bag. Anyway, this is like a huge clear book. So I'm taking interior design, so all of these are like handouts for my plates. One organizing tip, if it's not too much of a bother, you can have like one envelope per each day. So like me, my subjects each day are just 2 subjects. So what I do is per day I have one envelope that I can just bring, and then all of the stuff or papers that I need in that subject are already in this envelope. This is for 2 subjects already. So I have my clear books, papers, yellow pads. This is for another day and for 2 more subjects. Another handout. Then I have rulers, more measuring stuff. So I need this. This is the most important thing actually for my course right now because we do a lot of drawings, a lot of sketchings and whatever. So that's that. For my third bag, this is just a basic black synthetic leather tote bag from Parisian. When it comes to like my day-to-day usage of bags, I'm not really like keen on getting like a branded kind of bag because just in case it gets stolen. Yeah, I am a paranoid kid. So in my bag, see, I told you I have 3 bags, but actually I'm lying because I have like 4 bags or 5. But usually in my personal bag, I would carry one small sling bag or belt bag. So this is ginagawa mo? A holographic sling bag or run errand. So I just need my wallet, my keys, and my phone. So I need a small bag. I don't have to carry the entire bag. So I have this, and I also have another bag, which is this one. I think I showed you this in my Christmas haul or what I got for Christmas. This is a belt bag. So I either go for this one or this. Actually, I have a lot of small bags. So I might do another video of that. Am I talking too fast? I think so. Next, I have my planner. I love planning, and that is why I guess I came up with this video today, because you know, I was like planning my week and then organizing my stuff, so I figured let's do what's in my bag video. I have my pencil case. I love this pencil case. I think you can get this in SM department stores or national bookstores. Look! See? So if you're in a cafe, you can just open it like that and you can see everything. I love Muji pens, so I have a lot of that. And I need more. This bag organizer. In my bag organizer, I have my coins and my wallet, tissue, you know. Or when nature calls, we need to be prepared. Again, I have wet wipes. Because nature does call every morning for me. Like, it's healthy, but it's kind of hard if you have a morning class and it all of a sudden needs to go. Glasses. This is a case from Sunny's. Here's my glasses. Next, I have a brush. Because I normally take a bath, do my makeup, get in the car. I don't even brush my hair anymore, so important that I have a brush with me. I am currently also using my Victoria's Secret Squeeze of Pineapple body spray or body mist. I don't know if this is still in stores, because I just saw it once and I was like, I need it. It smells really good. I love sweet fruity smells. Power bank. My school ID, cough drop mint, so I have that. I have my makeup bag. How many bags is in here? 6 bags. I was just like thinking I only have like 3 bags. Anyway, this is my makeup bag. Ta-da! It's a makeup bag slash hygiene bag, because my gym hygiene bag only has like soap, facial soap, band-aids or whatever. Here I have my makeup, my medicine, and then hand cream, feminine spray, alcohol, lip balm. In my makeup section, I have my Maybelline Fit Me. This is my favorite. Elf highlighter, Bello tinted sunscreen, and then I have my Everbelena lip and cheek gel tint, eyelash curler. I love blush, if you can't even tell. I have my Careline Oil Control blush. So I love this, but I don't think they sell it anymore. And then I have my blush brush, so that's a must. And then concealer and mascara. And I also have ponytails, because I do go to the gym and I have to tie my hair. So that's all for my what's in my bags. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this random video of mine showing you what's in my bag, and I'm gonna see